I'm Fabio Vinciguerra, executive chef at the Chef, and today I cook a marinated lamb cutlet with chimichurri salsa and corn on the cob. The marinade for the lamb cutlet is fresh thyme, garlic, lemon zest, smoked paprika, cumin, marinated for at least 2 hours. If it was overnight, it was better. The chimichurri salsa is in the blender, fresh parsley, mint, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, rice vinegar, teaspoon of sugar, and then add to it chopped shallots, chopped chili, salt and pepper. The corn on the cob was just pan-fried and then sliced. The second dish I cooked was the grilled Jersey Royale and asparagus salad with pickled radish, cherry tomato, rocket, confit egg, and dill vinaigrette. I cooked the asparagus for 3 minutes and then transferred them to a cold water with ice. Boiled the potato, sliced them, and grilled them with the asparagus. The radish, I pickled them, cherry tomato are sliced, the dill vinaigrette, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and vinegar, and chopped dill. And the confit egg, I cooked them for 5.5 minutes.
With Fabio's delicious lamb cutlets, which I sincerely hope are on their way to this table, I would highly recommend our Luke's Pinot Noir. This is the 2018 incarnation, and its subtle tannins and delicious English acidity will work wonderfully with the lamb.